This is question number 29 from the June 2017 Algebra 1 Regent. A survey of 100 students was taken. It was found that 60 students watched sports and 34 of these students did not like pop music. Of the students who did not watch sports, 70% liked pop music. Complete the two-way frequency table. So what this question is asking us to do is they give us a blank table and we need to complete the table, put in the values for the table using the information that they give us in the question. So let's see what we know. A survey of 100 students was taken. That means that the total number of students in all who watch sports, who don't watch sports, who like pop, who don't like pop, was 100 students. So that's going to go in this box over here. It was found that 60 students watched sports. So the total number of students that watched sports was 60. And 34 of these students did not like pop music. So of the 60 students, 34 of them did not like pop music. So now using that information that we have so far, we could figure out how many students do like pop. Because we don't know what the students who watch sports and do like pop is. So we're going to use x. But we know that x plus 34 is equal to 60. Because of the total students who watch sports, some of them like pop, some of them don't like pop. We know the amount that don't like pop, so we could use that information to solve for the ones who do like pop. So minus 34 and minus 34. X is equal to 60 minus 34, which is 26. So 26 students watch sports and like pop. Also, what we could solve, now that we know the total students who watch sports and the total of everything, we could solve for the number of students who don't watch sports, the total number of students who don't watch sports. Let's use that as y. So we know that 60, the total number of students who watch sports, plus the total number of students who don't watch sports, which is y, is equal to the total of all the students. Subtract 60 and subtract 60. Y is equal to 40. So the total number of students who don't watch sports are 40. That's all the information that we could fill in so far. Let's go back to the question and see what else we know. Of the students who did not watch sports, 70% liked pop music. So now we know how many students don't watch sports. We know that 40 students don't watch sports, and 70% do like pop music. So to find 70% of 70% times the 40 students, we're going to have to convert 70 to a decimal by moving the decimal place 2 places to the left. 0.70 or 0.7 times 40, let's do it on the calculator, is 28. So 28 students who don't watch sports like pop. Now we could use what we know to solve for the number of students that do not like pop but that don't watch sports. So let's use z. Z is going to be this variable. 28 students who don't watch sports and do like pop, plus the students who don't watch sports and don't like pop, which is z, is equal to the total number of students who don't watch sports, which is 40. Minus 28 and minus 28, z is equal to 40 minus 28, which is 12. So 12 students don't watch sports and don't like pop. Now we need to fill in the totals. The total number of students who do like pop is 26 plus 28, which is 54. And the total number of students that don't like pop is 34 plus 12, which is 46. And now the whole table is filled in.